Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Divine Somtochukwu, and in today's video I'm going to be making peppered meat. So I have no doubt that you must have seen this meat everywhere on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. That is because this is the way people mostly enjoy the meat now, because this is perfect. So stick with me, let's do it together. Yay!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Make peppered meat. These are few veggies that you will need. I've got green bell pepper, red bell pepper, tomato, onion, habanero pepper, and I have my meat here. This is ram, goat meat, but not the normal goat meat, the ram, the one that Muslims usually eat. Here's that one. So I'm going to season with some seasoning cube. I'm using chicken flavor and beef flavor. I love the beef flavor, it's heaven. Then I'm going to season with some curry powder as well. I'm going to add ginger powder, a little bit of ginger powder. Ginger powder will be in my blended ingredients, as you will see later. I'm going to add some thyme, some salt, and I'm going to add some onion powder. Guys, I cannot stress how much this dish needs onion. Then I'm going to add crushed dried pepper. Then after that I'm going to add my onion, my chopped onion. Yes. Then I'm going to transfer this to my heat on a low heat, probably the lowest heat on your cooker. Yes, I'm going to start steam turning this meat. I'm going to be combining it together while steaming it on a very, very, very low heat, guys. You don't want to put it on high heat, okay, because it's going to burn. Yes, and please check the description box below for the full list of ingredients. I love you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. I love you. Then after steam combining together, I'm going to cover that and let it cook. Now these are my veggies. They have been cut and washed. Yes, they have just cut them and washed them. I'm going to blend them. This is the paste after blending. It's so beautiful, but it has a lot of water content, and I'm going to pour it in a sieve just to get rid of that excess water. You will see what I mean, because this bell pepper, they produce a lot of water, guys. Yeah, I'm going to drain out some of the water. Look at this, look at it. And the water is still coming, and look at that. Then this is my meat. I did not add any water to this meat at all. I'll just steam cooking it. Then I'm going to add that pepper water, the water that I drained out from my blended mixture. Yes, I'm going to add that water, and that is literally it. You don't need much water for this. Then I'm going to turn my heat to low, medium high, sorry. Then I'm going to cover it and continue cooking. This is my meat. It's been properly cooked. Yes, it's soft enough the way me and my household will love it. Yes, then I'm going to take the meat out of the stock. Yes, I'm putting it in a sieve because this meat is going to undergo some frying, and if there are water left, I said it before, some accidents might happen in your kitchen. Is going to be terrible, guys. So always drain out the water with a sieve or anything else, okay? This is my meat stock. It's quite small. I love it like that. You can use it to cook any other dish like your jollof rice or every other thing, because the aroma infused is heaven. So now it's time for me to fry my meat. Yay! I'm so super excited, guys. Then I'm going to add oil in my pan. Once that oil heats up, I'm going to throw in a few drops of onion. But if you have rosemary, you can use rosemary or ginger or garlic. The whole idea is just to infuse aroma and some flavor in the meat, okay? Then I'm going to pour in my meat. My meat is the water is out and the meat is perfect, okay? So now I'm going to transfer the meat into the hot oil. Yes, and I'm going to fry the meat until I am satisfied with the brownness and everything going on, okay? This is my meat. I'm happy the way it's looking right now, so I'm probably going to take that off. I'm going to take that off the heat. And that's it. Ta-da! My meat is fried. It's quite small, but I will enjoy that like that, okay? Then I'm going to start making the sauce for this pepper meat. The same oil I use in frying the fish. I'm just going to take my sieve and I'm going to silver some of the oil into a clean pot. Just, you don't need much oil, but you do need oil, okay? Because if you don't add oil, your pepper will start cooking instead of frying, and you don't want that. The oil is already hot, so I'm just going to transfer my onion. Then I'm going to stir that together. I'm going to give it a good stir. Yeah. Then I'm going to add my pepper blend, my pepper mixture. Yes, look at it. Look at that. It's so beautiful, guys. Then I'm going to stir fry for a bit. Then I'm going to turn my heat down to medium low. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook fry for, I don't know, for let's say about 5 to 6 minutes. Yes, on a low heat, okay? Look at what it's looking like after cook frying. It's already getting fried at this time. You will know when it's okay when you taste it and the peppers is tasting really, really sweet, or when the oil start floating on top of this sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to season with some seasoning powder, and then I'm going to also add some curry powder. I'm going to add a pinch of thyme. I'm going to stir together. When I'm adding, I'm stirring to avoid any burning situation, okay? I'm going to add some salt, just a little bit of salt. You don't need salt. I taste before adding salt, okay? You have to taste before you add salt because you don't want to over salt your dish, okay? As you know, there is no formula for removing salt. So I'm going to cover that and let it cook for 2 minutes. Look at that. Look at it's already well cooked now. There's no doubt. Look at the oil everywhere, and the stew is delicious, baby. Yeah. I'm going to stir that together again. Yes. And that is it. The sauce is big, so I'm going to take some out for later use. Then after taking them out, I'm going to turn down my heat to low. Yes. Then I'm going to pour my fried meat. Yes. After pouring the meat, I'm going to gently combine together. Oh, this is my favorite part, guys, because when the aroma of the goat is infusing into the sauce, oh my god, everywhere is like so scented, guys. Then the stew is like a bit thick, so I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of that meat stock, the stock that I cooked the meat in. Yes, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of that. Then I'm going to stir and cover that and let it come to steamer for like 1 minute. After that, I'm going to open that, and that's what it's looking like. Then I'm going to garnish it with some onion and green bell pepper. Oh guys, this dish is divinely, okay? You can enjoy this meat with jollof rice, white rice, anything, just name it. You can even, I enjoyed it all by itself with some juice, you know. And it was great. Look at that baby. It's so beautiful and it's very, 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 very delicious, guys. Trust me, this is something you want to rush and buy meat in your local market and start making. Okay, after combining it, I'm just going to turn down the heat. Final, remember the heat was on low. Then I'm going to turn the heat down completely. Yes, and this is how I served my meat. Oh god, it was super delicious. That is it all for today's video, guys. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Until my next video, I'll see you. Bye.